Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to make a circular text in Canva. Now, if you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now, first of all, just go on the left side and let's add a text box. Just click on this text and add a text box. Okay, write something, whatever you want. Increase its size, bold it. Okay, now just click on the text and you will see this option effects. Click on it, scroll down, and uh, you will see this curve under shape. Click on it and you can increase or decrease its curve, and by increasing or decreasing it you can make the text curve, as you can see. So that's it for the video. That's how you can make a circular text in Canva. Thanks for watching.